welcome everyone. So we will be starting with this part 2 here. That is, in this part we will study about detailed information about the different breeds of cows and bull, okay, which are used in the dairy farming. This comes under 6.7 paper 7 applied zoology, your 6th semester zoology syllabus. Unit 8 dairy and part 2 breeds of cow and bull. Here you can see a different breeds. First is draft breed. I have already told you definition about draft breed, dairy breed, okay, in the last part, in the part 1. So this is Hallikar is one of the example for draft breed. It is the cattle, okay, which are raised for pulling carts, ploughing fields and used to other agricultural work are called as draft breed. ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೀಡ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಬುಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ವೈಲ್ ಕೌಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪುವರ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕೌಸಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ಅ ಬುಲ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಲಿಕರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಬ್ರೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೀವು ಬ್ರೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಬೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರು, ಮಂಡ್ಯ, ಹಾಸನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತುಮಕೂರು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೌತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಈ ರೀಜನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒರಿಜಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಮೃತ್ ಮಹಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಬ್ರೀಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಬ್ರೀಡ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಒರಿಜಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಸೈಜ್ ಬಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, moderate to long height ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಾಡಿ is generally grey in color with black complexions. Their white markings around eyes, cheeks and necks. Okay, white marking ಇರುತ್ತೆ around the cheeks, eyes and neck. It has a unique forehead, slightly bulged in the middle. Both bulls and cows have horns. Both will be having horns. Horns are long, vertical and backwardly bent. Bulls have large humps while cows have relatively small humps. Okay, then Hallikar cattle breed mainly used as a draft breed. It is mainly used as a draft breed. Bulls are known for their strength and bulls can pull a loaded cart at a rate of 40 miles per day. Okay, ಕೌಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಿಲ್ಕನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬ್ರೀಡು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಲ್ಡ್ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ 542 kgs ಆಫ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಕೌ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಟು ನರಿಶ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೆಡ್ the Hallikar breed by releasing a postage stamp in its name in the year 2000. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮಮರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ Hallikar breedನ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪ್. Okay, it is recognized by the government. That is there. These are the cattle. ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is cow and this is a bull. Next, red Sindhi or Malir or red Karachi. This is the second breed. This is an example for dairy breed or milch breed. Okay, originated from Karachi and Hyderabad districts of Pakistan. Then, color of this breed is red, hence name red Sindhi. Common agi red Sindhi anta heltivi. This cow breed is now found in India, United Kingdom, Canada, Indonesia, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Africa and some other country. Body color is deep red, hence the name red Sindhi. Okay, head is comparatively smaller than their body. ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. forehead is very wide. Okay, then ears are hanging to down. Horn are thick at the base and emerge laterally and curved upward. Okay, there are differences in the horn. It is not similar to all the cows and the bulls. You have to observe that. Okay, then body is very well built. Okay, their umbilicus is very big and hanging. Umbilical cord usually will be hanging below. ಅಂಡರ್ ನೀವು ವೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡ್ಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಸೈಜ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಲ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಡ್ಡರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ part where it is a mammary gland in case of cows, where there are 4 to 6 teats are there. Okay, ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೌಸಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಮರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 5 to 6 teats. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಪೇರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 4 to 6. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಡರ್. ದೆನ್ ಕೌ ಈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 10 kg ಆಫ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪರ್ ಡೇ. Adult bull weighs about 350 to 400 kg and cow 400 to 500 kgs ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದು 3500 kgs per ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಲೆಂತ್ 265 ಡೇಸ್. 265 ಡೇಸ್ ತನಕ ಅದು ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ನ್ಯೂಲಿ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಕಾಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 22 to 25 kgs. Then milk of this cow has 5% fat. Then calving interval is 495 days. So once it has given a birth, it will not give up to 495 days. Okay. Then gestation period is gestation means its pregnancy period. ಅದು 288 days ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೆಡ್ ಸಿಂಧಿ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಜರ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಸಿಂಧಿನ ಜರ್ಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಟಿಕ್ ಬ್ರೀಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It adapt very well to tropical conditions. It is resistant to diseases and fertility rate ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is red Sindhi cow and bull. You can see the hanging umbilical cord in case of bull, and you can see very big udder here. Ongole, it is dual purpose indigenous breed. Okay, dual purpose for the milking as well as for the agricultural work. Okay, which is used for both work and milk production. It is originated from Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Ongole cattle are now available in many countries throughout the world. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡೀಸ್, ಫಿಜಿ, ಮಾರಿಷಿಯಸ್, ಇಂಡೋನೇಷ್ಯಾ, ಮೆಕ್ಸಿಕೋ, ಕೊಲಂಬಿಯಾ, ಪರಾಗ್ವಾಯ್, ನೆದರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ, ಬ್ರಾಜಿಲ್, ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟೈನಾ, ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ, ಮಲೇಷ್ಯಾ, ಇಂಡೋ ಚೈನಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಲಿಪೈನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಬ್ರೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಟು ಗೇನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಡ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, body is large with well built musculature. Neck is short and the limbs are elongated. Forehead is broad. Eyes are elliptical in shape with black eyelashes. Ears are moderately long, measuring on 9 to 12 inches in length. Okay, horns short irutte, stump irutte, growing outwards and backwards, thick at the base and firm without cracks. Okay, without cracks ಏನಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, very soft, continuously formed ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Hump in the male is well developed and erect. It can tolerate heat. Okay, disease resistance ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟಫ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, rapid growth rate ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Body is white in color. Okay, male has dark grey markings on the head, neck and hump, and sometimes black points on knees also. They are usually docile. Okay, and the bulls are very powerful, suitable for having heavy ploughing and used to do other agricultural related works. Cows are poor milkers here. Usually it yields 600 kgs to 2518 kgs of milk per lactation. Lactation period is 279 days. Cow's milk has nearly 5% fat. The weight is 432 to 455. Bull's weight is 500 kg. It stay close to their calves to protect them from predatory animals. Okay, participate in traditional bull fights in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Bull fights ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, this is Ongole cow. Okay, and this is Ongole bull. Next is Holstein Friesian. It is an exotic breed of cattle originated from Holland in Germany. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಫಾರಿನ್ ಬ್ರೀಡ್. ಇದು ದೇ ಆರ್ ನೋನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡೈರಿ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್. ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಬ್ರೀಡ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು heat and diseases. Holstein Friesian breed is easily recognizable by their distinctive black and white marking. Okay, body is well built with long narrow head. They have short horns. Humpless ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Mature Holstein cow apical it weighs 680 to 770 kgs. Okay, and height is up to 165 centimeters. Calf only is 40 kgs. Okay, usually. Then cow yield nearly 6000 to 7000 liters of milk per lactation. 305 days is the lactation period. Okay, and milk contains 3.5 fat. Gestation period is 9.5 months. Cows, okay, bulls are aggressive, cows are docile, very soft natured. Okay, this is Holstein Friesian bull and this is cow. And the last one is Red Dane. it is crossbreed. It is also called as red Danish because of its color. Okay, it originated from Denmark. It is a dual purpose breed raised for both milk and meat production. They are adaptable to varying climate conditions. Okay, ಎಂಥ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಅಕಾಮಡೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, they thrive well in colder weather conditions. Body is heavily built. Both the bulls and the cows have small horns. Reddish brown color ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Dark brown to reddish brown is a body color. Okay, body weight is 950 in males and in females 600 kgs and 3000 to 4000 kgs of milk per lactation al kodutte. Fat content is 4%. Protein content of a milk is 3.5% and it is highly resistant to the diseases. This is red Dane cow. Okay, this is about the different breeds. So let me tell you once again what we have studied in today's class. We have started with the breeds of cows and bulls. Okay, and first we have studied about the draft breed. That is example for this is Hallikar. This is a Hallikar cow and bull. Then red Sindhi or Malir or red Karachi. This is the second breed, which is a milch breed, and this is the picture of that. Ongole, it is a dual purpose breed which is used for milking as well as for agricultural work. Okay, and this is Ongole. Next is Holstein Friesian. This is a foreign breed. Okay, and this is the one you can see here. And red Dane, it is a cross breed. Okay, from the Denmark. It is also foreign species, and this is the picture of that. So with this I will be stopping today's class. So thank you, students.